People they talk, thank God it's Friday, but me, any day, no, na Queen B, now they take every day. Yes, me, not just Monday.
Why not just maintain your Monday?
Love, please, can I really greet our people, please?
Yeah, great.
I love Mondays, but I know say Friday, time to rest.
Better than the thief your deal.
Time to rest. Time to rest. Amaka don't know when to actually decorum.
Which one is
you need to go back to school.
Which one is decorum again?
English
classes.
English. Today is actually beautiful day. Every Friday on Talk na beautiful day. And our comedy Friday. And then to start them off, we get one Kajat person inside the studio. But Betiana going to don't cover that person. And we also get our celebrity tottery of the day. We get our discussion things where we go put them for grant. And everybody go put their mouth inside. We get where or throw away. We get funny video. Plenty
no,
things.
we don't get funny video, we get body casual.
Funny video for the guests who we get inside the studio.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So plenty things that we get for you today. So all you need to do now is just sit down for your chair. Make sure you don't move at all. Because if you move, it will pain you. And if it pain you, it will pain us. My name is Siriman Uvi Ehigiamusoy, and welcome to Talk today. But before the ladies introduce themselves, Betiana gets something to tell us.
Yes, we get very casual guests inside the building. This person where we get, they call him Steve Onu, but plenty people don't know who this person be. But I'll just give you a brief biography. This person is a graduate of Lagos State University, where he obtained diploma for inside radio, TV, and film production from the English department and a degree in theater arts. This person is a very great thespian, na comedian, na laughist, na yabist, na everything for inside the matter. And those of you who know him well, you know him as Yo. Ade. In fact, as I sit down here since, you know, so I just stay quiet. Amaka they talk, she just they yarn, but the scent where they inhale.
Amaka no.
Your perfume is of great.
Oh
my God. when you they go, I go just pick on. I go pick on. Even if na yaba.
So you believe say that Oshodi neighbors go buy it?
Even if na yaba, don't worry. If he say na Oshodi,
all those people they sell for container.
But I go take them.
No, seriously, what if those people they sell? Would they have people they actually buy? You see people
they sell well. No, not perfume. Not perfume and then they sell.
Yes.
Not perfume, but then they sell. Well, my own shock now. How then they take cock the bottle back? Yes. How then they take sell and then people they buy. People actually they buy.
You go see people round them.
That's not spirits, no be perfume.
Ah, no. And the smell, eh?
Yeah.
It be like what they use for toilet. And they tell you too. Now the best place where if you use and be that you ain't the wash toilet finish, you just spray. The thing they tumble, eh? But people they use them.
Wow, welcome. Amaka, you never introduce yourself?
I will come today, even if it's dinner Friday. My name is Amaka Okudiafo. As in, I don't finish up, finish. I go quiet.
You supposed to come. When you say Okudiafo, you stop.
I will come today. My honest. Give me your balloon. You don't talk.
But see how they actually say our studio. Get one particular joke where you actually crack, where they crack me up 247. I beg, I know some people not there when you crack. And you can sign this Eleda Mio. I beg you go
David, Olamide.
I beg you give us
that. No, the music industry generally. I don't know. They always talk this one. Then whether they talk or say we don't get sense. Eh? Makole marale. You go build house, you go come buy land. Now, before you go come get money, you go build house, buy land.
You go come get money. Come buy car.
Come buy car. You not think before when they sing, make you arrange them. Makole marale. Whether you go first buy the land, come carry on for the house for it, come they find the land. Josh,
without money.
He never get money.
Oh God.
Well, big shout out to Olamide. Olamide, big shout out. The guy they do well. The guy they work. In that one of the artists them where they work really hard.
Yeah. You don't say I said today, they actually very wonderful. But we get one kind video where we need to show you. But then we'll come back after the video. Plenty things are going on Talk today. Not go anywhere. We come back.
Classic.
All right. Paul.
You know, Simi, Chiga.
My yo whatever. It's like yeah.
Guinea.
Yeah.
Not be your where I know for Wazobia FM.
No, he's actually really like Simi can testify. You've got to say his name with sophistication, babe. Say it. Yo.
Hey, not be your one I know for Wazobia FM.
No, he's so brushed up. I'm not even joking. If you see all the lovely restaurants we go to now.
Okay, hey, forget for now. It was so clear for your eye. I better leave that in. I know that bro so well. They talk busy anyhow. They low kiss like tomorrow no day.
Speaking of the devil. Listen,
Yeah.
She's on the phone. Hey, baby. Yeah. I'm just here with my girlfriend. Oh no. You're so adorable, babe. Like, seriously. You're coming over. Alright, baby, but no. When you come, we're so hungry, right?
I want a pizza.
No, not pizza.
Don't get a basha.
I don't even know what that is. Baby, bring some lobster. Yeah. Yeah, and then you can pick up some le foie gras. Oh, baby, you're just so sweet. Yes, he's gonna bring it. And some prawns. Sure, you do prawns. No, she goes with prawns. Don't mind her. She's been so local.
And when Kwabi, you don't have Kwabi there.
Yeah, she'll do prawns. Oh my god, wait to see you. Love you, baby. Love you infinity. Hey, baby. Told you.
Yeah.
But I said lobster.
Lobster. You will like this one too. You will like it. For you.
But I said lobster.
You will like this lobster too. You will like this lobster.
Baby, I told you I wanted le foie gras.
Everything is there.
This is also le foie gras. It's le foie gras. You will like it. You will like le foie gras. You will like it.
Is this some kind of freaking joke? No, really? This is some kind of freaking joke, babe! Is this a freaking joke to you? Come on, like, seriously? Like, really? Le foie gras? How is he bringing this?
That's the ring.
Yeah.
Kaki.
Yeah.
No problem.
Yeah.
No problem. No problem. Le foie gras. Don't touch me. Respect your age. Le foie gras. Encore le foie gras. Don't touch me.
We've been dating for many years now. You want to leave me for love, for last see me see trouble. You go marry me, oh. Today.
No, I know no story. I can't befriend you if you don't propose to me. If you didn't know, whoa, I borrow me to marry me or young. Multi-federal physically, you know I'm not a small girl. You know my age, even Bola we no find self. She don't engage, we no work. She me don't call me phone, don't call me honey. If we will not go for honeymoon, if you don't pick a date, we might not get to date. Don't get it twisted, it's not like I'm desperate. I just have a life plan and it's getting late. I want to be a missus by the time I'm 28. Brother John said the Lord said his wife is me. But that vision is for only his eyes to see. I want a man that is sound so my God fearing. If he can love me with his heart and I'm not sharing.
Brother, you go marry me.